Hello friends and welcome to AK Agarwal Aptitude series. Friends, in this session we are going to learn a technique for solving a problem on syllogism. Here the given problem is two statements are given: no pen is paper, no pencil is paper. Now based on these two statements, two conclusions are given: all pen are pencil, all pencil are pen. So we have to determine which of the conclusion follows. If we represent these two statements in Venn diagram, then no pen is paper, no pen is paper, no pencil is paper, no pencil is paper. But it can be represented, these two statements can be represented in another format also. No pen is paper, no pencil is paper. So either this format will follow or this will follow. But there is one more format. Here if you see, no pen is paper, no pencil is paper. So it may also be there, all pen may be pencil. One more format is possible: all pencil are pen, but no pen is paper, no pencil is paper. So four different combinations are possible from the given two statements. Figure means 1, 2, third representation, fourth representation, any one will follow. Now let us see the conclusion. All pen are pencil. In this first reference, no, it is not, it doesn't hold true. Here also all pens are not pencil, all pen are not pencil, but here all pen are pencil. Out of four figures, only in one it follows. So we say no, it doesn't follow. Every time it is not true. All pencil are pen, all pencil are not pen, all pencil are not pen, all pencil are not pen, but all pencil are pen. So again it doesn't follow. So neither one nor two follows. Answer D is the correct option. So friends, if we solve one more similar type of problem, let us see the problem. No fish is dog, no cat is dog. So conclusions are: no cat is fish, all fish are cats. So if we see these two conclusions based on these two statements, first let us draw the Venn diagram. No fish is dog, no fish is dog, no cat is dog, no cat is dog. But these two statements can be represented in another format also. No fish is dog, no cat is dog, but some cats are fish, and that may be possible. Third way also it is possible: all fish are cats, but no fish is dog, no cat is dog. A fourth representation is also possible, in which all cats are fish, but no cat is dog, no fish is dog, no fish is dog, no cat is dog. So these two statements always follow, whether first option is there, second, third or fourth. Now let us see the conclusion. No cat is fish, no cat is fish in this, but here in all these three, some cats are fish, some cat are fish, all cats are fish. So we say no, conclusion 1 doesn't follow. In conclusion 2, all fish are cats, all fish are not cat, all fish are not cat, all fish are cat, but all fish are not cat. So also it doesn't follow. So neither 1 nor 2 follows. Option D is the right answer. Neither 1 nor 2 follows. Friends, thank you very much for watching this video. You can also follow me on Facebook. Thank you very much.